Hi everyone, this is Survi here, and you are watching my Miracle Pathsala YouTube channel. So, we will learn today what is human resource management. Before that, we will learn and we will know about what is human, what is resource, and what is management. So, guys, watch this video till the end because it is very interesting and very important for all management students. Okay, who are in BBA, MBA, MHRM, PGDM, and so on. Okay, so firstly, we will know why do we call it as a human resource management. So, okay, then what is human? It refers to the skilled workforce in an organization. Okay, because in any organizations, skilled workforce is requirement. Okay, you know very well. And what is resource? It refers to limited ability or scarce. And what is management? It refers to how to optimize and make best use of such limited scarce resources so meet the organizational goals. So I have taught you what is human, what is resource, and what is management. So many authors and many scientists have defined different definitions of human resource management. Okay, now let's move to the definition of human resource management. Okay, according to Edwin Filippo, it defined human resource management is a planning, organizing, directing, controlling procurement, development, composition, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resources to the end that individual organizational social objectives are achieved. Okay, in simple words, you can say human resource management is a process of making efficient and effective use that the end the goals are achieved. Okay, now human resource management is the function within an organization that focuses on recruitment of maintenance of management of providing direction and guidance for the people who worked in the organization. Okay, so human resource management is a very important topic. Okay, and it is very useful in all the organizations. Okay, now let's start with the SRM objectives and functions. So there are subdivided of objective. The first one is social objective, second one is organizational objective, third one is functional objectives, and fourth one is personal objectives. In social objectives, they include legal compliance, benefits, and union management relationships. So we will learn this topic. Okay, we will learn later. Okay, fine. So the second one is organizational objectives, human resource planning, employee relations, selection, development, appraisal. Okay, we will discuss later this topic. Okay, so functional objectives, appraisal, placement, and assessment. Personal objective, training, development, appraisal, placement, compensation, and assessment. Okay, now we will learn what are key HR elements is the selection and placement, job design, compensation and rewards, and diversity management. Diversity management is very important topic and very trending. Okay, now let's move to the nature of HRM. What is nature of HRM? It's a persuasive function, continuous function. So these are continuous function is very important nature of HRM. Okay, so the first one is persuasive function. HRM is practiced at all level of management and applies to all kind of organizations, even to non-profit. Okay, then result oriented. This is another most important nature of HRM. It aims at achieving organizational objectives through the optimum use of human resource. Okay, now tactful approach. What is tactful approach? It deals with the people who are distinct from one another. Thus, manager needs to apply diverse strategies and tactics at different point of time and different situation. Okay. Now, people centric. People centric is another most important nature because it concerned majorly with employee working in an organization. Now, integrative action. It focuses on maintaining cordial relations among the employees at different level and also address employee grievances. Now, the most important is continuous process. Without this, organization can't be stay in a longer time. Okay, in a higher position. So it is an ongoing process of procurement, development, and redirection of personnel towards the organizational goal. It cannot be completed in a day, in a week, or a month. Okay, fine. So these are the important nature of human resource management. Okay, now scope of the HRA. One by one, there are here it is mentioned control, acquisition, maintenance, and development. That means the scope of HRM is control, acquisition, maintenance, and development. Okay, in control, what they include: HRA, human resource administration, HRA, human resource accounting, and HRIS, that means human resource information system. Okay, and acquisition, they include human resource planning, recruitment, selection, and placement. So these are the most, all four are very important, but these are the most because this is the first step to finding out the people and the students and many applicants. Then after that they will learn. Okay, so recruitment is the first step of human resource management. Fine. After that selection, after that placement, and many more. Fine. And development. In development, so there are training, career development, organizational development, and internal mobility. Okay, and maintenance in remunerations, motivations, industry relation, social security. Fine. So today, what have I taught you? What is human resource? Objectives, key elements, nature of HRM, and scope of HRM. Okay, these are the main basic of HRM. So in next video, in next lesson, I will explain you another thing, okay, related to human resource management. So guys, today I bind up this lesson. Okay, so if you like my videos and learn something from my videos, my lesson, so guys, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Okay, and please hit the bell icon also. So thank you.